Hello everyone! It's such a joy to be here with you at GatherVerse Middle East, Tech for Humanity. We all live in a time where AI can write poetry, compose music, even mimic a human voice. It's incredible. But let me ask you this. Can AI actually help us to connect as people, not just data points? Because here's the truth. Technology without connection is just noise. And humanity at its core has always been about connection. Hi, my name is Kelly, and I co-founded Speaker Society with a simple belief that every voice deserves a stage, and community is the heartbeat of influence. What started out as a small circle of speakers has grown into a global community. People from all walks of life coming together because they want the same thing, to find their voice, to share their story, and to feel less alone in this journey. But we quickly hit a challenge. How do you support so many voices, each with their own story, without losing the human touch? That's when AI surprised me. Not as a replacement, but as a bridge. At Speaker Society, we started using AI to help speakers to get unstuck, to spark story ideas, to organize their talks, to give them feedback so they could practice with it. For someone just starting, it might offer a few ways to tell a story, say about resilience. For a professional, it might help reshape the same talk for a different industry. But here's what I've learned. The value isn't in the AI itself. It's actually what it frees up. It clears away noise so that speakers can show up more fully as themselves. And when those drafts and ideas are brought into community, at our playground events, our accelerator program, or virtual stages, like this one, that's when the real magic happens. Because people don't connect with perfection, they connect with humanity. Now, let's talk about networking. We all know the old way. You show up at an event, you exchange business cards, maybe you connect on LinkedIn, and then nothing really happens. But the kind of networking we've seen inside Speaker Society, it feels different. It's not so much about collecting contacts. It's more about finding people you actually click with, the ones who get what you're about, who share your energy and who make you feel like, yes, I found my people. That's when networking stops becoming a transaction and starts feeling like community. And that's why this matters for tech, for humanity. Look, AI can amplify voices, but not replace them. It helps people, especially those who have never felt heard, to step up and share with clarity. AI can also accelerate networking. It creates connections that are not just meaningful, not surface level. AI can build belonging. It helps us to scale intimacy so even in a crowd, people can feel seen. Well, let me share a story. At a recent speakers playground, someone walked in absolutely terrified of speaking. They drafted their talk with AI but whispered to me, I don't know if I can do this, Kelly. But when they finally stepped up, the community leaned in, encouraged them, and something shifted. AI gave them structure in their speech, but the community is the one that gave them courage, and the networking after gave them opportunity. Together, those three, AI, community, and networking, created transformation. And that's the vision I want to leave you today. As we build smarter cities, faster networks, more advanced AI systems, let's also build smarter communities. Communities where technology doesn't feel isolated, but it connects. Where networking isn't transactional, but transformational. At Speaker Society, our belief is simple. When voices connect, networks strengthen. And when networks strengthen, humanity thrives. So, here's my invitation to you. Don't just use AI to get ahead. Use it to bring people together. Because the future isn't artificial intelligence. The future is amplified humanity. And if any of this resonates with you, or even if it doesn't, I'd love to hear your perspective. Connect with me here and let's continue the conversation. Let's build something meaningful together.